Check his mother. Very poor. Was the money they had. The old woman prioritized cleaning wood in closer. But Jack did nothing. For he was very lazy. In summer, he spent all day in the search of the truth. In winter, he stayed all day by the fire. Jack never worked to reach his life. In fact, that's how Jack was named Snowball, lazy Jack. One day, Jack's mother came to him. Jack, you go to work. Work? What is that? You lazy boy! If you don't do work for your bridge, I will let you out of the house. Very angry with me. What should I do? I have the next day, he went out and hired himself to a neighboring farmer for a penny. Jack boy, he's paying for you. Thank you very much. Finally, I get the penny. Jack had never seen penny before and didn't know what to do with it. Jack walked home and read the penny. Oh no! My penny didn't write for. How is this? Jack went home with a feeling of sad and fear. Jack, did you go to work today?
Sure, Mom.
Did you get paid? Yes, sure, Mom. Well, where is this? My baby was to the right for Mom. Then, very angry. You stupid boy! You stole the penny in your pocket, Jack. I'm so sorry, Mom. I will do the next time. The next day, Jack went out and hired himself to cow her.
It's me for you.
Thank you very much. And remembering what's mother had said, Jack put a jar of milk in the large bucket of his jar. And long before he got home, how milk had spilled out. Oh no! What should I do this? Hear me, you foolish boy! You saw the jar of milk on your head. I really don't know. Sorry, I will do the next time. The next day, Jack again hired himself to a farmer. The farmer agreed to give Jack a penny cheese for his work. And remembering what his mother had said, Jack put the cheese on his hand and started home. But by the time he got home, the cheese had melted and ran to the shower. Oh no! Why? I was lucky. Jack, you stupid Lord. You sold the fairy cheese very carefully in your hand. Remind me, Jack, remind me. The next day, Jack worked together and this week, the next day, he ran out. The next day, the following next day, Jack worked. The next day, Jack worked as a beggar. And the maid said, Cat, this is for you. That is cat. Jack go home with the cat in his hand. But to get that so much he had to let it go. Jack, you silly boy. You should have tied the string to the cat and dragged it over to you. Oh my God. Why are you so stupid, Jack? I am forgetting, Mom. Pardon me. Pardon me, please, Mom. Next day, Jack went out and hired himself to a thatcher. And he gave his way to the firm of flag. And remembering what his mother had died, Jack tied a string to the leg of Flag and dragged it through the dirt after him. Then he goes home. The milk was spoiled. Jack, you night-hour. You so have carried the leg of Flag on your shoulder. In here, Jack, in here. Yes, Mom, I know. I'm so sorry, Mom. Well, on Monday, Lady Jack went out once more to look for work. This time he hired himself a cattle keeper. And the man gave a sheep. This is for you, man, for you at home. Thank you, sir. You are very kind. I will take good care. Now it happened that on his way home, Jack had to pass the whole very rich. This man had only daughter. Was very beautiful. Unfortunately, she are here. Young man, come here. Yes, my tea. If you give me my daughter, I will marry her. Oh, you swear me the tea. You're your daughter. Yes, I promise. Well, I will try. The poor bear, its legs sticking out in the eye, was kicking violently, and he had it with all its might. Oh, stop singing. Oh my God, love. Thank you, young man. You came in my child's life. As my promise, would you like to marry my daughter? Yes, of course. After Jack and the girl were married, they went to live in a large house. And Jack's mother lived them in great happiness for the rest of her life. Ladies and gentlemen of the juries and all the colleges where I stayed, the moral message came from the story Lady Jack. We as young people should not be lazy. Lazy men who never had a happy life. For that, we have to work hard, so as not to burden others. For us as students, we must be diligent to learn that our dreams can come true. As the song, I believe I can fly, I believe I can go to space, sing about it every naked day, spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar, she will run to the top of her door. I believe I can fly, I believe I can fly. That you can achieve all your dreams. For us, now, it's time for us to say no to laziness. It's time for us to face the world with our kids. It's time for us to prove that we can do something with our country, with the spirit. So, don't be lazy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all my speech. I'm so sorry if I have made a mistake, and thanks for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.